I don't want to exaggerate this chapter. Today I have already recited the poem, read the poem before you, and I have told you the content of the poem in short, that means the synopsis. Now you note down 10 words from this chapter itself and you search these words from dictionary, from mobile or hard copy, and note down the meanings of these 10 words in your copy. And when the school will reopen, and definitely I will check all the spellings and all the meanings of these words, and hope you have understood my teaching and today's lesson and the content of the poem. And I'm sure that you have mentioned the name of the poetess Faith Carey, an American poetess, and she was born in 1824, died in 1871. So let us start the words. Legend, Legend, legend. The second, harness, 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 harness. Third, reindeer, Reind, D for dog, Eer. Fourth, sledges, S is for small, Sledges, sledges. Furry, Furry, furry. Tail, not tell, Tale, you will pronounce it as tail. Saint Peter, S capital, T small, then full stop, P capital, Peter. See, there is no meaning of Saint Peter. You have to write who is Saint Peter. 8. Hearth, H for hot, Hearth, hearth. Needed, here K is silent, Kneaded, needed. And the last word is being faint, B for boy, Being, being faint, Faint, being faint. So guys, once again the review of today's lesson or today's teaching. In your book, chapter number 5, the poem A Legend of Northland. In your NCERT book, Beehive, your main book, and the poetess is Faith Carey, and this is a folk tale which has been presented in the poem. A tale means tale, not Tail, there is Tail, tale of animals, tell, tell, to speak. Here it is tale, tale, that means story. Folklore, that means related to countryside. And the poem, it has been presented in a form of ballad. Ballad means long poem, tells a story about somebody, about something, or about an incident, known as ballad. So it is in a form of ballad, and two characters are there. One is a little lady in Northland, and another is the apostle of Jesus Christ, Saint Peter, and he comes at the doorstep of a little cottage where a little lady, she is baking cakes, and he is, that means Saint Peter, he is so hungry that he has become very weak, because whole day he walked, and on foot he has come at the doorstep of that little lady, and because he was on fasting and it is nearly the end of the day, that means twilight or dusk, only see he asks for a small piece of cake. But this selfish lady, she did not give him a piece of cake. And this angered St. Peter. He is enraged, and out of anger, he curses the little lady. And little lady, she turned into a woodpecker, and till her death she was boring and boring and boring, a very strong, a very big trunk of a tree till her death. This is the content, guys. I think you have understood whatever I have narrated before you, and I have explained before you, and the 10 words definitely you have noted down. You search it out and note down the meanings of the word, and in my next lecture I will tell you the theme of the poem, the central idea of the poem, and through this poem, what does the poet want to convey to the readers. There is a message of the poem. So guys, till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.